I think the other thing that people are underestimating right now is how much data is going to matter. We often say that you don't have an AI strategy if you don't have a data strategy. And what we mean by that is, look, if your data strategy is to ship your data off to a CRM or a CDP, the future of your marketing is in trouble. And the reason that's the case is you need to be building in a place where your engineers want to work, where your data team wants to work, where they're already working in their data cloud. That is the widest possible set of data you have in your organization about who your customers are. So if you were going to apply AI to one place in your organization, I would probably do it right there. And I would apply AI there and have that be the point where you start to orchestrate your marketing experiences. I would not do it in a downstream silo. And I think everybody right now is underestimating the impact that's going to have. Because if you believe in the 100x potential of AI, the organizations that get it right are going to be the organizations that apply AI in the right point of their marketing and tech stack. If you apply it at the wrong one, you're going to get a 2x outcome. If you apply it in the right place, which I believe to be on the data cloud through a composable CDP, you're going to get a 100x outcome in your marketing. And we're going to see that play out over the next 3 years of the organizations that got it right and wrong. And I think everybody knows where their organization currently sits, and you're currently actually debating that right now. And that decision is going to have the biggest impact on whether AI influences marketing at your company.